you are never caught slipping. No slippage. It's not even work, it's just effort. Like, comment, subscribe. Ugly women do not exist, only lazy women do. Personally, I have never seen an ugly woman in my life. I only know lazy women who are not willing to put in just a little bit of effort in their appearance. So today's video is all about how you can look pretty and polished with just a little effort. If you're new here, my name is Rama. Kindly hit the subscribe button, comment, like, do all the YouTube stuff. And if you're a returning subscriber, oh my god, you have a special place in my heart. Okay, yeah, let's get right into today's video on how you can look pretty, polished, and put together. Tip number 1, practice self-care and upkeep. You need to make sure that you have a self-maintenance plan or routine whereby you know that every week or every 2 weeks you have to get your nails done, you have to get your hair done. So it's like a routine, something. The goal is to stay ready so you don't have to get ready, right? So with the nails, I usually go with short nails. You find me doing more French nails or nude. Like, I don't like something that is so in your face. You know, sometimes you meet someone and their nails are so long with a lot of designs on it, and it kind of looks cheap, though it's very expensive to maintain such type of nails, but it ends up looking very, very cheap. So I usually do the French and the nude, and I keep it simple and classy. With the hair, whether you're wearing your own hair or you're wearing a wig or even you're wearing a scarf, if it's your own hair, make sure that your hair is looking neat, you don't have dandruff or dirt in your hair. And if you're wearing a wig, make sure that you straighten it. Matter of fact, I was going to straighten my hair and I realized that the hair straightener I brought from Ghana, the plug does not match the ones I have here. Guess what I did? I ironed it.
Don't tell anyone.
I ironed it, but it doesn't look as well as it will look if I straighten it. But that's the effort that I am talking about. You put in the effort, okay, so you figure things out. And if you're wearing a scarf, make sure that you choose a very nice color that matches your outfit, and then you learn how to tie your turban properly. Okay, there are videos online. I even made a video on how you can tie your turban stylishly, so you have to go and watch and never be caught
Slipping. No slippage.
Tip number 2, invest in quality skincare products. You need to get products for your face and products for your body, because mostly the products you use for your body will not work as well when you use on your face. So for me, what I use for my face is Face Reality. I use this is the wash. I use the wash, and then this product is also very, very, very good. Snail Advance 96, or is that 69? 96. Yeah, so these are the products I use for my face. And then when it comes to my body, I use this, and then I top it up with vitamin E oil. So make sure you invest in products that will work very well. Also, if you are someone who bleach, this is why I hold your hand and tell you to stop bleaching. In some few years to come, you wish someone had advised you to stop bleaching. Bleaching ages you. Like, aside that too, you can get cancer. And then people who bleach, they have this smell. Please, don't hate me. They have this fishy smell, and it's crazy. Someone needs to tell them, please, bleaching doesn't make you look classy. So that's my little advice to you. Please stop bleaching, okay, and work with what God has given you, and you definitely love yourself. Thank you. Moving on. Tip number 3, invest in quality undergarments and shapewear. See, your dress can cost like $1 million, okay? If you don't wear the right undergarments, it will take your look from 100 to 0 real quick. Imagine you are not wearing the right bra or the right panty, and your panty lines are all over the place. It makes you look a little bit cheap.
not a little bit cheap. It makes you look cheap.
Even though your dress might be expensive. Talking about undergarments, you already know Girl Hub is the place. Okay, we have so many nice undergarments that you can choose from, so do well to check us out, right? And for the shapewear, there are some outfits that you want to elevate your look. You want to get the vavavoom kind of look. That is where shapewear comes in. So make sure that you have about 2 or 3 in your wardrobe, so anytime when you need to wear a shapewear, it's not under your calling.
Rama, please, do you have a shapewear at the store? I want to grab one. And then I'll be like, sorry, it's sold out. Don't be that person.
Tip number 4, wear clothes that fit and do not follow trends. Okay, I know how we girls sometimes want to console ourselves with the fact that we are losing weight. You are clearly a size 14, but you're like, oh, sometimes a size 12 will fit me, so you give me a size. You want to convince yourself that you are a size 12. You buy the size 12 and it's so tight on you, like it's so tight, it doesn't look pretty, it doesn't look polished. So wear your correct size, okay, and throw all those tight outfits out, because it doesn't look nice. And don't usually, for me, I don't follow trends, because I want to buy a dress that I can wear in like a year or 2. I don't want to wear something that is buy something that is trendy. I wear it 1, 2, and then I have to throw it out and go and buy another trendy outfit. The 5th point is to have self-awareness. You need to note these 3 things I'm about to say. Know your strength and weakness, okay? Know your undertone. Know your body type. Once you have figured these 3 things out, trust me, you're halfway there, okay? So once you know your body type, you not go and wear an outfit that is for a pear shape when you're an apple shape. And if you are a pear shape, you not go and wear outfit that is for a pear shape. And then once you know your strength, for me, I know my strength is keeping it simple. So I like to keep my outfit simple. I don't want to do any plenty things because it doesn't work for me. And also know your undertone. Once you know your undertone, you know what kind of colors look good on you, what kind of jewelry, whether gold or silver, looks best on you, and then you can dress. So if you don't know your undertone, try to educate yourself on that, okay? And if you want me to make a video on that too, leave it in the comment section and I'll be sure to do that. That brings me to tip number 6, my very, very, very favorite. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Have you heard of the saying, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication? When you keep things simple, you smell and look like old money, like you've had money for a long time. You don't look like new money. New money people, they tend to overdo things.
This is a reminder.
Wait.
Do some exercises.
Okay, Alexa. Trust me, you can never go wrong when you keep things simple. Wear dresses, accessorize thoughtfully, and like keep a natural face makeup. The makeup is like it's there, it's not there. Okay, well, with natural, it's relative, because what looks natural to me might not be natural to you. So just try to keep things simple so it doesn't look like you're trying too hard, okay? All right, tip number 7, invest in quality feminine perfumes. Okay, we can all agree that smelling good is part of looking good. So in as much as you are putting in effort to look good, make sure you are smelling good. Have your signature perfume that's anytime you enter a room, everybody knows that, hey, first lady has arrived. Speaking of perfumes, we have some Victoria's Secret perfumes at the store. They smell so good, like the scent takes you straight to heaven. So do pass by a Girl Hub and get yourself original Victoria's Secret perfumes. Right, so those are 7 tips. I still have so many tips that I want to talk about, but I don't want this video to be too long. Therefore, I think I'll make it into a part 2. If you're able to make it to the end of the video, do well to like, comment, subscribe. Road to 1K. For now, I have about 530 something of you here. I'm so happy. I started my channel a month ago and the growth is like mind-blowing. Okay, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.